SOA XMP practice question number 33. Under an insurance policy, the losses follow an exponential distribution with mean 10. For each loss, the claim payment Y is equal to the amount of the loss in excess of a deductible 2. Calculate the variance of Y. Let's take a look at the solution. The PDF of X is 1/10 times e to the power minus x/10, an exponential distribution with mean 10. And then the PDF of the claim payment Y. If the loss amount is less than or equals to, then the claim payment is 0. If the loss amount is greater than 2, then the claim payment is the loss amount X minus 2. We need to calculate the variance of Y. First, we compute the expected value of Y. The first part of the PDF of Y, where the claim payment is 0, the expected value of Y has the following expression. The integration from X equals 0 to X equals 2. The integrand is the claim payment 0 times the PDF of X and then dx. The second part, where the claim payment is X minus 2, we take the integration from X equals 2 to X equals infinity. And then the integrand is the claim payment X minus 2 times the PDF of X dx. The first term is 0. So we only need to do the integration for the second term. Here we use the integration by parts formula. The function u corresponds to the function x minus 2, and dv is the PDF of x dx. Applying the integration by parts formula, and we get this expression. And then we can do the integration in the second term. The first term is 0. So substitute the upper limit and the lower limit for the second term, and we get the expected value for Y is 10 times e to the power minus 1/5. Next, we compute the expected value of Y squared. So the first term is 0 squared, the square of the claim payment times the PDF of X dx. And then the second term corresponding to the second part of the PDF of Y. Again, the first term of the expected value of Y squared is 0. Do the integration in the second term. Again, we use the integration by parts. Here we use the formula twice. So applying the formula once, we get this expression. And then use the integration by parts the second time to do the integration in the second term. And then do the integration for the last term here, the integration of 10 times e to the power minus x/10. In this expression, the first two terms are 0. And therefore, we only need to perform the calculation in the last term, substitute the upper limit and the lower limit. And we get the expected value of Y squared is 200 times e to the power minus 1/5. And then we can get the variance of Y. The expected Y squared minus the square of the expected value of Y. Do the calculation, and we get the answer. The variance of Y is 96.7141.